This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, sir. Last day we have discussed some patterns. Let me first give some overview, some revision in 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. So last day we discussed about some basic of candlestick like opening, closing, upper shadow, lower shadow, week, some basic definition.
Real body
Okay.
weak.
Yeah, real body and week. Then we discussed a few example on this. Okay. After that we discuss hammer. Okay, and in hammer we discussed about the condition of the hammer. It appears in downtrend. We discussed about what is the condition of the hammer, what is the length of the real body, and what is the length of the wick should be at least twice, and color of hammer can be either red or green. Okay, so that thing we discussed, and stop loss and target we discussed in last class. Later part I told you that whenever you feel that next candle of hammer is very big, you can ignore that trade. Later part we discussed about shooting star, and we discussed about the position of the shooting star. Okay, and we discussed about confirmation of one next candle, and how we can take trades based on shooting star. We discussed trend of the previous trend should be uptrend. That thing I once tell you in last class. One example, two example I try to find you. Okay, then I discussed about inverted hammer similar to shooting a star, but position is downtrend. I told that you can take trades on this inverted hammer, but mostly I don't use inverted hammer for taking trades. Then I discussed about hanging man. I told you that it appears in uptrend and there should be gap up condition. Okay, so these are important conditions, gap up condition, and color of hanging man can be either red or either green. Color is not important. Okay, one confirmation candle is necessary in hanging man, this confirmation candle. So these things are were discussed, and these condition that lower shadow at least twice as real body. This was the real body, and lower shadow at least twice of this body. Okay, so these things were discussed in last class. Example was given you. Okay, then I told you about hanging man and hammer, and position was discussed. Clear trend was discussed in that class. Okay, then I told you about the doji. I told you similar to our hammer and shooting star, but only difference was the length of the real body. Real body is almost negligible. Only name was given as gravestone doji and dragonfly doji. Function of the dojis are almost similar. Okay, one confirmation candle is necessary for taking trades. Rest condition like uptrend and downtrend condition are similar. Work is similar. Okay, stop loss target are similar, and one spinning top was discussed in front of you. Okay, color was important. I told you about the color. Today, from today we are starting bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, so new topic is starting from today, bearish engulfing pattern. So what is the condition of bearish engulfing? So first condition of bearish engulfing, engulf means totally covering. Okay, suppose any person is watching this candle from this side, any person watching this candle from the left side, if he try to watch this candle, he will not find anything. Okay, suppose any person is watching this candle, he will not find anything. Okay, means totally this candle should cover this candle. Okay, and there should be uptrend in market, means 12 to 13 candle trend should be upside. Okay, this is very important condition, and there should be gap up. Okay, another condition, there should be gap up, means closing of this candle was this much, so next day opening of this candle is this much, means there is a slightly gap, means this was the gap. Okay, and bearish candle means this color should at red, okay, and closing below previous bullish candle means this candle should close below of this candle, okay. These are the necessary conditions, okay. See here, there should be uptrend in market. There is a bullish candle, previous day bullish candle, and next day a bearish candle totally covers this bullish candle from top to bottom. This was the top of previous green candle, and this was the bottom of the previous green candle. Then this candle totally covers this candle. After that we have to wait for one confirmation candle. After that we will take the trades. Let me discuss the example. See here, this was the Maruti Suzuki charts, okay. This was a weekly candle. If you will observe, this was a bearish engulfing pattern, okay. Let me show you in real example, okay.
Sir, wick should be covered in that or real body should be covered?
A small wick is considerable, sir. A small wick you can consider. Suppose wick is too much. Suppose, let me give you example. A small wick is considerable. Okay, a small wick you can
Okay.
consider, but too long wick, if it is not covered, then you have to ignore that. That's, see here. Okay, this is almost engulfing pattern. You can consider this as engulfing. A small wick is considerable here. See, this is a crude oil chart. Okay, this is weekly chart. So when you will observe here, this was the top of this candle and clearly this is gap up. So a small wick is okay, but too much wick, suppose this wick is here, for example, suppose this wick length is up to this, so then it is not okay. A small wick is fine, okay sir.
Okay, sir.
A small wick is fine. So you can easily observe this candle is totally covering from top to bottom, okay, top to bottom. So you can consider this as engulfing candle. Clearly you can check the previous 10 to 12 at least candle. So clearly previous trend was up, okay, this was uptrend in market, okay, and there is one confirmation candle was needed. So this was the confirmation candle. So you can take your sell trades below of this candle, okay. You can take your trades. Suppose this was the weekly chart, so in next candle you can take your trades, okay. You can either take your trades here or either you can wait to break this low, okay. Both are fine, okay, because this was the weekly chart and confirmation was already given, okay. So you can take your trades in this, okay. Trade was suppose you take your trades at here, so stop loss will be slightly above of this candle, okay, and target will be same logic, risk reward 1:1. Yeah. Our risk was here to okay. Risk is almost 13%, okay. So our target will be almost 13%, okay. So target will be almost, see almost 13% is calculated, means target one is here. Okay, target one is here, okay, and this was the selling position, and stop loss is this much, slightly above. Yes. Okay. This was the stop loss. This was a stop loss. Stop loss, and this was entry point. Sound is coming, sir. Can you mute, sir? It will help you because in recording later part you will find difficult for understanding. Okay, so it will for your betterment. Selling start at this point. And what is the target one? Target one is similar to this stop loss. So you can put your target one here. Similarly, for target two, you have to take similar length. Means it is almost 13%. So from here you have to go at least 13% here. Almost here. So this will be the target to almost here. Similarly, you can tell your position and you can make targets like that. Okay, is it clear, sir? Target, you can take any random. This is engulfing. So clearly, one confirmation is always better for taking your trades. Okay, lots of position you will find. This was one example.
Sir, can you show the example of spinning top or spinning bottom? One example.
Yeah. Yes, when we will see the charts, you will observe a lot of pattern. I will discuss a random chart and I will show every pattern in that. Okay. First, I will cover today a few topics. After that, I will explain each and every type of pattern. I will pick any random chart and I will show each type of pattern. Okay. I Let me show you. Last day, I shared one chart to one guy. Actually, it was shared. I will share a spinning top. Don't worry. A lot of chart are there. It's not like that. Okay. Currently, our live market is running actually Nifty 50. Okay. So let me try to find what are the patterns formed in that. Okay. 15 minutes chart. Let me show you what were the patterns formed today. It is almost similar to evening star. I will discuss later part of the class. It is almost not evening star. You can consider it almost similar. But today some pattern was formed. This is known as shooting star almost. Okay. Confirmation candle and it gave some profits also. It gave some profits. Risk reward one it almost gave. Okay. This was shooting star. Okay. One confirmation candle. It gave some profits also. Okay. Similarly, it is not hanging man. Actually, there should be gap up. Okay. This is 15 minutes. Let me show you in 5 minutes. This is dark cloud cover. Okay, I will discuss in later part today. This is almost dark cloud cover. Okay, I will discuss that thing. 1 hour. 2 hour. This is dark cloud cover almost. Okay, sir. Almost dark cloud, or you can consider that tweezer top. I will discuss that thing. This was, sir, actually spinning, not a spinning top. This was a shooting star. Okay, these are shooting star almost. Okay, I will discuss. Don't worry. This is just starting. So these are the examples, few examples of engulfing pattern, bearish case condition. I will once tell you, there should be uptrend in market, and there should be one bullish candle, and the next candle should totally cover that bullish candle. Okay, and this color should red candle, and after that one confirmation candle is important. Color of that candle should be red candle. Okay, so bearish engulfing is almost clear. For psychology part, you can see here. This is psychology actually. Same thing is explained in language of psychology. See, clearly it is saying that previous day close. Okay, and next day what happens? Bear rejection of gap up, means gap up is happened next day, but bears reject the prices. Okay, and next day able to close below of this candle, means bear are powerful. Okay, this is the psychology behind the bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, this is totally rejected by bears. Okay, simple meaning. Move to the next part. Now comes to bullish engulfing. So bullish engulfing is similar to a bearish engulfing, but only difference is what? See, bearish engulfing forms when there is uptrend in market, but in bullish engulfing form when there is downtrend in market. 10 to 12 candle there should be downtrend. See, first condition, there should be downtrend in market. Okay, and there should be one bearish candle, means this is the bearish candle. Okay, and next day what should happen? There should be a gap down. Okay, there should be a gap down, means bears are powerful next day. But what happens? Bears were powerful, and they were able to make prices downside opening, means gap down opening is showing the power of the bear. But what happens? Bulls pull the prices upside clearly, and it is able to close above the bearish candle. Okay, this was the closing. This was the closing of this candle. Okay, this was opening. This was the close of the previous day or previous candle. Okay, and this was the close of this candle. So clearly it is covering in the entire section of this body. So clearly it is showing the reversal pattern, means pattern likely to be changed, means bearish pattern likely to change to bullish pattern from here. One confirmation candle is always good. Okay, for taking the trades, because operator nowadays operate things, so you have to consider one candle. See, clearly this is engulfing pattern. Engulfing pattern. Clearly almost gap down from here. There was almost gap down. Okay, almost. A small body is fine, but too much bigger is not fine. Okay, you have to wait for one confirmation candle here. You have to take your buy position at this level. You have to put your stop loss slightly below of this candle, and target one is equal to risk reward 1:1 here. Target one, target two, like that. In live market, I am showing you few examples. Almost engulfing. Okay, sir. This is almost, you can consider it. Okay. Clearly, you can consider it slightly. opening almost fine. Okay, you can consider it engulfing. But when if its opening is here, it is perfect engulfing, but it is almost fine. Okay. One confirmation candle is necessary here. You have to take your buy position right from here. From next candle, you have to take your buy. You have to put your stop loss right here, slightly below, and you have to put your target one as equal to risk reward 1:1. Okay. Many time it can give you risk reward over up to 1:5 or 1:10 also, but you have to keep telling your position. Okay. It gave some good profits. Okay. Almost gave 100 point. Okay. Which is not bad. Okay. And see this example. Clearly market trend was up. Okay, sir. Previous trend was up. So 2 candle 4 6 8 10 12. So it is down. So you can consider it as engulfing. Okay, sir. See 10 to 12 candle trend is almost down. See. Okay. And this was the bearish candle, and this is almost engulfing. You can consider and see one confirmation candle, and you have to take your buy position right at this level. You have to put your stop loss slightly below of this candle, and target one is equal to this length. Suppose this length is similarly target one is equal to this length, target two next this length. Okay, let me show by measurement exactly. This was the risk of 2%. So target one will be equal to 2%. 1.9 actually. Okay, target one is right here, and target two is right here. Similarly, target three, right? Likewise, we never know that what will happen. So we have to follow disciplines. Almost three targets at scrape. Okay. So many time it will give you targets up to risk reward 1:3. Many time it can give you target up to 1:10. But you have to keep following discipline. You have to keep booking your profits time to time so that no losses will happen. Okay. More example. Let me find. There was one good example. ICIC banks, I think. So see, sir, this is 2 hour chart. Okay, this is engulfing pattern. Okay, sir. See here. See, this was a 2 hour chart of ICIC bank. Okay, clearly you will observe engulfing pattern. Okay, clearly, and this is also a spinning top. Okay, sir. Almost. But if color is red, then it is most favorable. Color is green. Okay. So you can consider it as a spinning top, but this is clear cut engulfing. Okay. Is it fine, sir? Engulfing pattern. Anybody had doubt? Yes or no, please. Anybody doubt in engulfing pattern? Please.
No, no, no doubt.
Yes. We have to wait for one confirmation candle. So a confirmation candle is this one. So your risk one is this one. This is the risk. This is the risk. So target one should equal to 2%, almost there. Similarly, target two is next 2%. So it gave almost two targets, which is not bad. It is 2 hour chart, so it took almost some time because it is positional calls. Clearly, you observe some selling at this level. So suppose market is not too much volatile, so in that case, one can take a position in option also. Suppose current price of this ICICI Bank is 543, so he can take the nearest option. Okay, so he can take some, or either he can sell the nearest call option at this level. He can either take the put option for buy, or he can sell the nearest call option. Like he can sell the option of 580 or 560, like that. Option writing he can also do in that case, so it is more beneficial. Option buying may be possible that some time decay, but if someone is selling the option, it is more beneficial. So he can, current price of this option, current price of the spot is 540, so he can easily sell the option of the 580 call. Okay, 580 call he can sell. Okay, or at this level he can buy the put option of 520 or like that. Current price is 540, so he can take the put option of 540 or like 520. Okay, but it will take some time, so always slightly problem in premium decay. So best, I always feel that option writing at of higher level is always fine in such cases. Whenever you observe some reversal pattern, so you can easily write the 580 call or like that. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
But option writing is not available in all the terminal, no? Trading
It
terminal.
is it is available, sir, but only thing is margin requirement is higher, available
Uh,
in every broker. Okay, for writing
uh,
option you need almost 80,000, like that. In many broker you can write option in a smaller value. Okay, it's not you will find each broker provide the opportunity of writing the options. Okay, but you have to do option writing when only when you are almost your short, means it is almost your short type, means it is showing that risk is very negligible. Okay, means
yes.
confirmation candle plus engulfing. Otherwise, simply don't write option without knowledge. Okay, almost knowledge is necessary, but simply you are wanting to make any put position, you can either buy the put position or you can take the future position positionally. Okay, both are fine. Suppose you are doing intraday, so you can take intraday position, but with proper 15-minute risk. Okay, okay, yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
This was engulfing. Similarly, you can find, see here, this,
Sir, in shooting star also they require the gap up or gap down opening in the next candle.
it's not like that. Shooting star, no such condition is there. Okay. Example was there, few example. You can observe time in live markets also. Uh, Currently live market is running. Let me try to find some few patterns. There was shooting star in 5 minutes, sir. Okay, clearly you will find shooting star, and after that one confirmation candle, and after that crude oil fall, and still current crude oil is in downtrend only. It in 5 minutes. Okay, it is a small chart, but still okay. one confirmation candle, and you can put your sell position right here or here, both are fine. The stop loss will be this much.
Hello,
And
sir.
give
One more
some.
question.
Yes, sir. Say.
Using candlestick, will it give more profit than other patterns?
Yes, sir. Currently, I am teaching you candlestick. Later part, I will also teach you price patterns. Okay. Later, I will teach many more things. Currently, for time being, I am teaching you candlestick. Based on this, I am just explaining the idea about the candlestick. Later part, I will teach you more and more things. Okay. For time being,
Okay.
just observation I am showing you. Okay. Later part, you will get more and more things. Okay, this is clearly shooting a star, one confirmation candle. Next candle you have to sell the position. Clearly it gave two time opportunity for selling. Okay, some average you have, it gave some opportunity to average here and good profits also. Still it is weak. Okay, it's weak still. This is 5 minutes. Similarly, you can find on any time frame. In intraday normally we use 15 minutes, so you can also see 15 minutes. Okay, sir. So now move to next topic. We will discuss each example. This is dark cloud cover. Okay. So what is dark cloud cover? See, in dark cloud cover, there should be uptrend in market. First condition, there should be uptrend in market. For uptrend, you have to check 12 to 13 candle. Okay, and there should be one bullish candle. Means this is the bullish candle. Previous day or previous candle, there should be bullish candle. Okay, this was the bullish candle, and there should be one bearish candle which should open gap up. Okay, means this on next day or next candle there is gap up opening. Okay, gap up. Okay, and this candle should bearish, means color of this candle should red. Okay, color should red, and it should close 50% or below of this candle. Means what is the meaning of that? Suppose candle, this candle length is equal to 50 rupees. Okay, sir. So closing of this candle should at least 25 rupees. Means this total length is 50 point. Okay. Suppose this is 50 point length. 50 point. So it's 25 point is almost right here. Okay. So its closing should at least 25 point. Then only we can consider it as dark cloud cover. Initially, you can check by price range tool, or suppose you are able to find by naked eye, you can simply do tests based on that. But condition is important. This fifth condition is
Do you do you mean exactly 50% of the previous day's
at
bullish
least
candle,
at
or
least
plus or
50,
minus?
at least 50% is important, not below that. 50%, 60%, 70%, all are fine. Okay.
That
but
means
but
almost it is like beer is engulfing, but it
yeah,
will
yeah,
not
yeah,
engulf.
yeah. 50% is the minimum condition. This is the minimum requirement. Okay, it can be
Sir,
60%.
confirmation candle.
Confirmation candle is always necessary in such pattern. One confirmation candle is there, so you can take your sell position after confirmation only. In most, in almost each pattern, I told you one confirmation candle is always good. Okay, always good. Suppose this candle is too big, then you can ignore that trade. Confirmation candle is too big, then you can ignore that trade. Suppose confirmation candle is this much, so you can ignore that. Suppose confirmation candle is almost neutral or small or some medium candle, you can consider the sale at this level. Okay, let me show few example. Is it fine, sir? Anybody not understanding about 50%? This term 50% is clear, everyone? What I am trying to say,
Yeah,
50%.
clear.
Yeah. Suppose again I am repeating because maybe possible few are new. So suppose this candle length is 50 point. Let me show in live example, okay, so that it will be more clear. The end of the market is always important. Okay. Clearly this is not dark cloud because it is not 50%. Okay, this is 20% only. This 2 is also not dark cloud cover. Clearly this is not equal to 50% of this candle. So this is almost dark cloud cover. Okay, sir. Clearly this is almost dark cloud cover. Is it fine, sir? Previous 10 to 12 candle trend is also upside. Okay, you can check here. 10 to 12 previous trend of the market is what? Upside. And clearly this opening is almost equal or some slightly above of this candle. Okay, so it is fine, almost equal. Okay, so and clearly 50% of this candle is how much? 50% of this candle is C. Clearly this is gap up, so this is dark cloud cover, clear cut. This was the previous day candle or previous hour, you can say. So clearly 50%, there should at least 50%, means total length of this candle is almost. And many have doubt that we have to consider from week, so you can consider right from week also. If week is small, you can consider from week also, it is fine, no any problem, both are okay. But if week is too much big, you have to consider the body. For time being I am showing by, means it is almost 51 points, so closing should almost 25 point right from here, means 25 point at least from here, 25 at least. This is the basic requirement. So minimum condition is almost there. So closing of this candle should at least 1409, means 1409 rupees. Slightly this price all lesser than this price. Okay, this is the minimum condition. So clearly closing of this candle is below this. So clearly this is dark cloud cover. And previous trend you have to check 10 to 12 candle. So the 4 to 5 candle are down, but previous trend was a clear cut up. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So clearly the 10 to 12 candle is uptrend. So we can consider it as dark cloud cover. Okay, sir. Anybody have doubt in this dark cloud cover? Anybody, please? Anybody have doubt in this?
But target will be same as in the previous candles. Target and stop loss.
See, target and stop. Clearly on next day, one gap down was happened. Okay, next day gap down is happened, and clearly it gave some initial confirmation. Suppose any gap down is happened after this type of pattern, so these are also a sure short confirmation. Any gap down is happened after such patterns, so you can take right your trades right from here, or either you can wait for one candle to close. But suppose opening of this candle is right at here, next day opening is right at here, so you have to wait for one candle to close right at here. You have to wait for this candle to close, and you have to put your sell position at this level. You have to put a stop loss slightly above of this candle. Okay, suppose any gap down is happened, so these are almost your sort type of signal. One candle you have to wait for confirmation, and on next candle you have to take your trades. Okay, these are almost good opportunities, sell on rise type of market. Okay, it is clear cut from right here that market which will form from here. Okay, market is falling from here. So best way one candle and see. After that we don't know what will happen, but after that see fall in market. Okay, see good risk reward, also give good risk reward. Almost it is still falling. Okay, market is still falling. This is chart of the Kotak Bank. Okay, this was a strong few days after too much fall, but see what happened after confirmation candle. Okay sir, this is dark cloud cover. More example. Clearly you can observe, is it dark cloud cover sir? Almost dark cloud cover. Okay, this is dark cloud cover. One confirmation candle, it gave small profits only, and after that it hit your stop loss almost. Okay, it gave some profits, after that it is hit your stop loss. Small profits it gave only, almost 20-point profits. Okay, it gave you 20-point profits. It is intraday chart, so this are this is intraday chart, so obviously you will close your position right at here. Okay, so you will not obviously carry your position, so it gave some 20-point profit, which is not bad in intraday. On next candle, suppose you are waiting, so your stop loss gone here. Okay, and shooting a star confirmation also giving here, so double confirmation. You can take a new trade at this level. You can take your new position at this level. Okay, this level new trade you can take your at this level based on shooting a star. Okay, still it is in profits. Okay, so two confirmation, a small 20-point or 22-point profit in that. Suppose anybody is holding that position, so he can book his few quantity here, means small loss in few quantity. Okay, and next it take the new trades right at this level. Okay, suppose anybody is carrying and his stop loss in 50% quantity gone, so overall he is in no profit no loss condition. Okay, already in this is the closing, almost closing time, so he will close his position right at here. Okay, suppose he is carrying few quantity at this level, so in that case he can book his loss at here. Okay, we never know, his loss will occur at this level. And on next candle it is clearly observing that this is shooting a star, one confirmation candle, so he can sell the new sell position at this level. Discipline is the key for success. We never know what will happen, so we will following the discipline, so he can make new trades at this level. Here also confirmation candle is giving shooting a star. Okay, a small shooting star is present. Okay, one confirmation candle at this level, so this is the sell, new sell position, and it gave good profits also. This is Axis Bank. Okay, this call was also shared by me in my group last day. Okay, Axis Bank sell position. Okay, okay sir, So is it clear, sir, what I am trying to say actually? Is it fine,
Sir,
sir?
yes, sir.
What I'm yeah, discipline is always important. We never know that how much will be the high and how much will be the low. So we have to always follow the discipline. Okay. Suppose you are taking the trades based in 1 hour chart, so you can tell your position in 15 based on 15-minute chart. Suppose you are taking your trades in a higher time frame, you can tell your position based on a smaller time frame. Okay. Suppose I am observing that I took the sell position right at here. Okay. Suppose I took my trades in 1 hour, so I will adjust my chart on 15 minutes. Okay. I entered my trade at this level and I will keep telling my stop loss. Suppose this is the next swing high for this net swing high. So when prices will come at this level, I will tell my position at this level. Okay, I will modify my stop loss at this level. Suppose it next it came at this level, so I will modify my stop loss at this level. Similarly, when price come at this level, I will modify a stop loss to this level. Similarly, in intraday, I can modify my stop loss time to time. Okay. Never loss will occur, but this is the confirmation how we can take our trades. It is the best idea. Intraday some discipline is important. Telling stop losses is always important. Take your trades on higher time frame. Take your trades on higher time frame, and you can use a smaller time frame for modifying stop losses. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, both are fine. Okay.
Can you open Bajaj Auto for daily chart,
Yes,
sir?
yes, sir. Why not? Bajaj Auto, na? Bajaj Auto. Yeah, yeah.
Sir, daily time frame.
Okay.
Sir, can we consider last candle as a hammer? Last candle.
Previous trend you have to consider. Okay, previous, see what is the previous 10 or 12, clearly it is down. Okay, this is also trying to form hammer. Okay, this is hammer, sir, actually. Okay, but confirmation candle is also given here. Okay, so this level is important. One good candle and some bounce back might happen. So above this some bullishness will come, this level.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
2050, 2009.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for time being it is showing weakness. See again trying to this level is important. Okay, so for time being not give our confirmation for buy. Okay, for time being one confirmation is found, but next candle high we have to take the buy position. So for time being it is not giving buy signal, so we have to wait for buy. Okay, for time being it is not in buy position. Okay, we don't have to take our buy at this level. Okay, we cannot take buy at this level like that. We have to wait for confirmation closing above this. Okay, or either we have to wait for breaking of this high. Is it clear, sir, what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
And it is also trying to form some W type of pattern. You will observe some W. See, almost W type of pattern. So I will later teach you a few things. Above this some good movement might possible. So above this safest place to buy. Okay. Okay, sir. Later part I will teach you importance of this. For time being it is for time being I am not discussing. I will discuss in later part of this class. So above this it will be very much a strong buy. Okay. For time being it is weaker. Above this it will be very strong. Okay, sir.
Sir, okay.
You mean this double bottom W?
No, it is not double bottom currently. It might come at this level also. It might possible that it will come more down. Okay, I will discuss these things later part of the class. For time being, I am discussing candlestick. So these things I will teach you in later part of the classes. In okay, some price pattern topic I will teach you this type of things. Okay. So dark cloud cover is any type of doubt? Anybody, please? Dark cloud cover topic. Any doubt?
हाइट होता है पूरा खाली हाइट होता है तो जनरल
Example.
कॉन्सेप्ट में बोलेगा नहीं हाइट का थोड़ा है
So I have already told you. I give you clear cut example. Opening, low, high, length also discussed, and 50% I give proper example. Okay, this was the chart of the Nifty 50 of the daily chart. Okay, this is a chart of the Nifty 50 and see clear cut trend was upside. Okay, so market has started falling after that. Okay, this is the Nifty 50. One day time frame. See, clearly this was engulfing. Okay, sorry, Nifty 50. See, clearly this is engulfing pattern in a 1 day chart. Okay, when Nifty fall after the 12,400, so everybody should exit their position right at here. Any investment people should exit their position at this level. Who not exit their position made mistake. So this was the confirmation. Okay, at this level every investment should exit. Okay, this position was the exit level. Okay, sir. This was the exit level. Dark, yeah, engulfing pattern was formed. One should understand the things that market likely to reverse for longer time frame. This was the daily chart, clear cut. So I also gave exit level at this level because I told based on harmonics and other things and based on GAN. Okay, but these things also based on candlestick. This was the exit point based on the candlestick. Everyone should exit their position at this level. Okay, some pullback. This was the fake move to tap the buyers, but later part you will observe that only fall in market. See, after that clear cut fall and market not able to reach that high level. And now comes to next part. Dark cloud cover is fine. Now it comes to first I will discuss some piercing pattern, then I will discuss the harami part. Okay. Okay, sir. Because both are similar, so first I will discuss piercing pattern. So what is piercing? Yeah. Piercing pattern is similar to dark cloud cover. Only difference is there should be downtrend in market. Okay. And there should be one bearish candle. And this green candle should close at least 50% above of this candle. Okay. This is bearish candle. And next day gap down opening right at here. And it is able to close above 50%. Okay. When it will cover 100%, then it will be bullish engulfing. When it will able to close above 50%, then it is a piercing pattern. Okay, only difference in engulfing and this piercing pattern. Okay, 50% criteria is important. Minimum condition is important. Example is also shown at this level. Okay, 50 gap down opening, clear cut gap down opening at this level. Gap down. And it is able to close above 50% of this level, confirmation candle, and it gave some good profits also. Now comes to piercing pattern. Anybody have any doubt, please? Logic behind piercing pattern is it is able to close 50%, which is important retracement level. Okay, 50% is always important in our day-to-day market. Okay, That's why 50% terminology is used. Okay, 50% is always good retracement level. Okay, this is the psychology part. Okay, now we discussed harami candle. So in harami candle, what happens? In harami candle, in Japanese, it is showing pregnant. Okay, so it is also a good reversal pattern. Okay, there are two types of harami pattern. One is bullish harami and another is bearish harami. Both I will discuss at this point. So see, when what is the condition of bullish harami? There should be downtrend in market. This is the case of bearish harami. There should be downtrend in market. First condition. And there should be one bearish candle. This is the second condition. And what is the third condition? There should be gap up in market. Clearly this is gap up opening. Okay, and the length of this candle should be very small. Okay, this should be a small candle. Okay, this is the fourth condition. So you can consider that a reversal will happen from right at this level. So this is the case of bullish harami. Similarly, there is a case of bearish harami. There should be uptrend in market. 10 to 12 candles should uptrend in market, and one candle should be bullish candle, which should right at this level. This is bullish candle, and next candle there should gap down opening. Clear cut. This is gap down opening. Okay, gap down opening, and body of the this candle should be small. Okay, the body of the candle should be small. Color is important. You can consider this color as green and this color as red. Okay, sir. We can call this as bearish harami. This is bullish harami. This is bearish harami. This body should be small, and there should be gap up opening in case of bearish, and in case of sorry, this is bullish actually, and in case of bearish there should be gap down opening. These are the basic requirement. You have to always remember gap down term, and in case of uptrend, gap up term. These are the necessary condition, otherwise it will not be harami. Okay, how we have to take one confirmation candle is always good for taking our trades. Okay, one confirmation candle is always good. Suppose this is confirmation candle, so you can take your buy position above of this candle. Okay, stop loss will be similar logic as discussed in previous patterns, slightly below of this candle, and the target will be equal to risk reward 1:1. Similarly, in that case, you have to wait for one confirmation candle. You have to take your sell position right at here. You have to put your stop loss slightly at this level. Target 1 equal to this length. At this level. So anybody have doubt in harami or piercing pattern, please? They can ask harami. Harami and piercing
Harami
pattern
understood.
and piercing. Anybody have doubt, please? They can ask. Any type of doubt, they can ask without any hesitation, because then only I will proceed to later part.
Can you please repeat piercing pattern?
Yeah. Okay. I am repeating again. Okay. See, actually in piercing pattern, what happens? First condition, there should be downtrend in market. 10 to 12 candle, you have to consider what is the trend of the 10 to 12. 12 candle is always fine. 12 candle always fine. 12, 13 or 15 is always fine. Minimum condition 12 candle. Okay. So 10 to 12 candle, you will consider what is the trend of the market. So clearly trend of the market was down. Clear cut downtrend in market, and there should be one bearish candle. So clearly this is bearish candle. Second condition. What is the third condition? There should be gap down opening. third condition is important. Clearly market opening is right at here. This was the closing of the previous candle or previous low, and opening of this candle is right at here. Okay, this is clearly gap up, gap down opening. Okay, clearly this is gap down. Opening of this candle is right at here, closing of this candle is right at here. So clearly this is gap down opening. There is a gap. Okay, and what is the next condition? The close of this candle. This is the candle. Close of this candle should at least 50% of previous bearish candle. Means this was the bearish candle. So condition is it should close at least 50% of this bearish candle. So clear cut. This is the middle part of this candle. So clearly it should close at least 50% or maybe 60%. It can be 70%. No any worry. Okay.
And
Yes,
confirmation candle should be a bullish candle.
yeah. Always confirmation is important. Without confirmation, we will never trade. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Understood.
Yeah, confirmation candle is always important. Is it fine, sir? Any doubt in this?
Understood, sir.
Okay. So yeah. Any type of doubt may be possible that you are new in a smaller thing. People may face the doubt. It's not like that everything is
So
clear in first time.
all
Yes.
this all this candlestick and various technical analysis only for short-term investments, right?
No.
Intraday
It is
trading.
applicable in each. It is applicable in each time frame. Okay. But only difference will occur that only target and stop loss will be changed based on time frame. It will applicable in any time frame. But for intraday, you can use 15 minutes. For positional, you can use 1 day, 1 week. Always, all logic are same. It will work in each time frame. Okay, it's not like that. It will not work in 1 hour or it will not work in 2 hours. It will work in each time frame. Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah. Because psychology will always work same in each time frame. So this was the we are seeing, and see example of this harami candle was given. See clearly market was bearish. Okay, this was the case of bullish harami. Clearly this is the small candle which is opening gap up. Okay, and one confirmation candle. Okay, so above this we can take the buy position right at this level. Okay, and we can book our profits at this level. Risk reward 1:1. For example of this BRE Salami, in case of Reliance Industry, you can easily find Reliance fall right at this level. One confirmation candle is right at this level. You can take your sell position right at here with a stop loss of this candle. Slightly above. You can put your sell position right at this level. Okay, so clearly it gave some good profits. Okay. Harami, any one have doubt, please? Harami candle.
Ratneji, how can I identify this is a harami candle? Because normally we are seeing.
See, sir, for Harami we have to see what? For Harami we have to see what is the 10 to 12 candle trend. So clearly 10 to 12 candle trend is upside. Okay, first condition. What is the second condition? There should be one green candle, means bullish candle. So clearly this is bullish candle. Okay, on next time frame means 1 hour. What is happening? It opening is gap down. Okay, gap down. Okay, sir. This is gap down
Okay.
opening. means
Yeah.
closing of this candle was right at here, but opening of this candle is below of this candle. So clearly this is gap down opening, and closing of this candle should be within of this candle, means it should close within this range. Okay sir, closing of this range of this candle means within this candle, and body of this candle should be small body, clear cut. This was the gap down opening. Clear cut opening was at this level, and closing of the previous candle was at this level. So clearly this is gap down opening. Okay, and body is also very small. This body is very small. Okay, so clearly this is harami, bearish harami. One confirmation candle is pending. Okay.
Okay. I got it, Ragnarji.
Okay. Okay.
But इसमें जो possibilities of achieving the target is what do you think?
Yeah,
Ratna?
रहती है सर, अपॉर्चुनिटी रहेगी आपके पास, है ना. ये
Oh,
रिवर्सल पैटर्न है, जितने जितने कुछ डिस्कस करें वो सब रिवर्सल. द पैटर्न व्हिच आई एम डिस्कसिंग आर रिवर्सल पैटर्न्स. So market likely to behave opposite of that. Okay, so most of the pattern are reversal pattern. Okay, yeah, most are the reversal pattern. So market likely to change its direction right from here. Okay.
okay. Just hinting that handle. Okay.
Ratnesh
Yeah.
ji,
Yes sir.
One
Yes sir.
question. There's one,
Yeah.
the something called as intraday trading and long-term investment को क्या कहते हैं? What is it called?
For long-term investments, sir, you have to take a longer time frame. See, difference is logic and study is same. For intraday, suppose someone is using 15-minute chart, for example, logic is always same. Yeah, any
One
share,
basic
suppose,
question.
yeah. Suppose someone is
One basic
doing,
question.
yeah. Ask, sir.
Yeah.
What is the question?
So
Please.
what
Yeah.
what are suitable options for intraday trading and suitable options for long-term investment?
So for intraday, suppose someone is doing intraday. So intraday, he can choose any Nifty 50 share or any index, bank Nifty. He can trade in intraday. Suppose someone is trying to do long term. For time being, he can also do long term. For suppose the current situation of market volatility is very big, so he can do some investment in Nifty Bs, bank Nifty Bs, a small amount. Okay. I will explain what are the safest place to do investment. For time being, investment in any share is very risky. Okay, so I will discuss.
So no, I'm just asking a
Yeah. I will just tell you
basic
what are
thing.
the yeah. In investment, you can do investment in Nifty Bs. Okay, in each 5% round fall, you can add Nifty Bs. It is similar to ETF. Okay, so these are the safest place to invest, and suppose it is based on Nifty 50 movement. Okay, I will discuss these things. What is Nifty Bs and like that. I will discuss what are the safest way to invest in market. Okay. In share can be zero, but these Nifty Bs and bank Nifty Bs will never zero. Okay, I will discuss these things. Don't worry.
Okay.
And one more thing is tweezer top and tweezer bottom. Okay, tweezer and see what is tweezer bottom. Okay, tweezer bottom is similar to piercing pattern. Only difference is opening is exactly equal to this candle. Okay sir, is it fine sir? Only difference is opening is exactly equal to this, then we called it as tweezer bottom. In the case of tweezer top, opening is exactly same. Only difference is that logic is same. Okay, logic is same.
Okay.
See, Yeah, logic is same. In case of future top, see, opening is equal to this candle. Opening is exactly same. Exactly. So this is the name only given. Logic and psychology part, trading style, stop loss, target is similar. And this is gap up, gap down opening already. Already I told you what is gap down opening and what is gap up opening. And next candle, we will discuss any part missing. Piercing pattern already discussed. Future already told you overview. And next come to three candlestick pattern. So you have what next candle is a morning star candle. Okay, this is also very much important. Okay, what are the morning star candle? Okay, in morning star we have to see what first condition is here. First condition of morning star is there should be downtrend in market. Okay, market there should be fall in market, first condition. And second condition is there should be one bearish candle. This is bearish candle. This is the second condition. Now what is the third condition? There should be a gap down opening. In third candle this should open gap down. Okay, there should be one bearish candle, first condition. Okay, second condition, there should be a small gap down opening candle. Okay, this is the next condition. And next condition is what? There should be one a small bullish, or this color can be a small bullish or bearish. Okay, again I am explaining. There should be downtrend in market, first condition. Okay, and second condition, there is a bearish candle. This is the second condition. And what is the third condition? There should be one small candle. This is the small candle. Color can be either green or color can be either red. Both are fine. Okay, in this candle, both are fine. Okay, and length of this candle should be small, and clearly gap. This opening of this candle should gap down. Okay, clearly closing of this candle was right at this level. So opening of this candle is right at this level. Okay, so these are the fourth condition. And in next candle one green candle should available, means in next candle one gap up opening of the candle is happening. So these three candle together forming a pattern which is known as, see, these three candles together form a patterns. Yeah, three candle together form a pattern which is known as morning star. Okay, sir. Condition is very powerful pattern. Okay, morning star is a very much powerful pattern. Okay, very much useful and very much good pattern. Okay, again I am explaining because maybe possible that it is new, so might. Yes, sir.
Any specific reason for calling morning star? Why they are calling morning star? Just I'm asking because it is
Yeah.
identifying can morning itself or
Yeah,
something.
it
What?
is. It looks like morning star. When you will observe now morning star, suppose you are observing morning star. So when you will observe, it will appear like this. It is not when you will observe this pattern, it is clearly appearing like morning star. Okay, so that's why name is given. It is clear cut appearing is similar to morning star candle. Okay, so name is given based on that. Okay, sir.
Just
You will
Okay.
Sir,
to
you
remember,
type.
just to,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
just to remember, it is easily to remember sun rises in the morning.
Yeah. Similar.
sir, first red candle can be big candle. First red candle of morning star.
Yeah, yeah. It can be the big candle, small candle, nothing special. But this candle should be small. Okay. This can be big, small, no worry. This candle can be big, small, not worry. but this candle should gap down. Okay, gap down opening, and length of this candle should be small. Okay, is it fine, sir? Color of this candle can be either green or either red. Color can be both. It is also explained at this level. Color can be bullish or bearish candle. Okay, this is explained. Is it fine, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Fine,
sir.
but shall we check in on sample chart, live chart?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you can see the BPCL in 1 hour. There is a morning star, I think.
Yeah, yeah. Why not? This is almost morning star, not exactly, but 10 to 12 candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The end of the market is clear cut upside. Okay, so overall you cannot consider this as a morning star because previous trend is upside. Okay, so might be possible that it will not give you good profits. So previous 10 to 12 candle it is trend is downside, so you cannot consider this as morning star. Okay, okay, sir. Is it fine, sir?
Okay, sir. Sir, and 23rd March, I think, in this chart only 23rd March, I think. 20 back.
Okay, okay. Again, I am checking. Don't worry. 23 March.
23rd,
Okay,
23rd,
okay, okay. I am checking.
20.
This is almost 23rd. Okay.
Oh, नीचे आ गया ये तो नहीं आ
This
रहा.
was actually Harami candle. Okay, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
This was Harami candle. Okay. One day it gave good profits. Okay. Harami candle, confirmation candle, and next day gave good profits also. Almost 97 to almost 9 to 10 rupees. It gave good profits. See, this was almost similar to means morning star. Okay. Almost these candles form similar to morning star. Okay. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Okay.
This was example of Harami candle. Okay, sir. Harami example everybody is observing. Na? This is a gap of opening and length of this candle is a small one, confirmation candle, and after that buy. Okay, see, this was the Harami candle. Everybody is clear. Na? This is Harami candle. Okay, sir.
But sir, there is a no gap down in this Harami candle. It is not gap down, na?
This is the case of bullish Harami, sir. This is the case of bullish Harami.
Okay,
There are
okay.
two types of yeah. This was
Back,
bullish Harami.
back up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This was a tweezer bottom almost. Okay, sir. This was see opening of candle is similar to this length. Okay, so this was almost similar to tweezer. Okay, this was see this candle is very small. See, this candle is very small. So this is good example of this. See this candle, very small candle. So this is perfect Harami. Okay. Okay, sir. This is perfect Harami candle. After that, a confirmation candle, and there buy and see entire market was changed right from here. Everybody is observing the effect of this Harami. The entire market was converted to bullish market. Small things can change the entire market. Only you have to observe that thing. This was very good example. One example was there in ICICI Bank, I think. See, this can be a morning star, but why it is not morning star? The previous trend is not downtrend overall. Okay, it is almost choppy type. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, almost choppy or same length. So overall trend is not downtrend. Okay, so you cannot consider this as what morning star. Okay, why I am not considering this as a morning star? Everybody is clear why. 10 to 12 candle overall, not so much downtrend in market. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, not so much downfall in market. Okay, almost a small trend. Okay, this is very small trend. So that's why I will not consider that part as morning star. Trend is always important. Okay, for any candlestick. Why I will not consider this as a morning star? Because clearly this is not gap down opening. Suppose its closing should below of this candle. So that's why I will not consider this as morning star. See, clear cut, this is not morning star. Okay, otherwise it will be the morning star. Okay, clearly opening of this candle is above of this candle. That's why this is not morning star. Otherwise it would be morning star. Okay. See, this is a good example of morning star, I think. Yeah. This is good example of morning star. Okay. These three candles. Is it fine, sir? Everybody, previous trend of the market is downside. Okay. But we have to wait for one confirmation candle after that. This is morning star. So one confirmation candle is coming closing above of this pattern. So above this one candle we have to wait for closing. So this is the closing of one candle above this. So above this we can take our buy position and with a stop loss of this. So clearly we will not take our buy position at next candle. We have to wait for one candle to close above this. So clearly one candle is able to close above this. Okay, why we not take our buy position at this level? This candle not close above of this this candle. Okay, is it clear, sir? This is morning star.
In morning star, we have to take the trade at the high of third candle, na?
So there are two criteria to take the trade. The first criteria you can take test either you can wait for breaking of this high. Okay, you can wait for break of this candle. Okay, first condition. Either you can wait to break this candle and with a stop loss of this. So this is first condition. You can take the trade based on this, or either if you are taking your trade based on breaking high of this candle, so you have to wait for one candle to close above this. So both are fine, but this is some better accuracy. Suppose if it is breaking high of this candle, so its accuracy will be higher. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can check both conditions. Both are working good for time being, but this is the suitable condition. You can wait to close above this. Stop loss will be always the bottom of this. Okay. So above this, it is a good buy. See, clearly it is
Can you check?
giving good. Yes, sir.
Can you check next three candle? Next three that what you mentioned. Next three.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So why? Yeah, clearly same. What is the problem in next three?
No, just I am asking. Next three can be Morningstar.
Oh, this candle you are telling this
Yes,
part.
yes, yes.
This is not morning star because clearly this candle should opening down trend means gap down opening should happen. Clearly opening of this candle is right at this level. This is not gap down opening now. And closing of this candle should be below of this. This was the candle. Okay. So closing of this candle should be below of this candle. Is it clear,
Okay,
sir?
okay.
Why it
Yes,
is
yes.
not morning star? Closing of this candle should be below of this candle. Then only we can consider it as morning star. But closing of this candle is obviously high of this bottom, so that's why we not consider this as morning star. But in that case, you can observe that this was the closing of this candle. Okay, so clearly it is closing is below of this candle, so you can consider this as morning star. Okay. Now clear, sir, why we not call this as morning star?
Yes, yes, clear, clear.
Yeah. Similar pattern appears in uptrend, which is known as one example. Clearly, one example was given. See, body of this candle is very big, so we can not consider exactly at morning star. Okay, that's why I shared this example. Although it reverse market, but body size is very big. Okay. And what is the exact logic behind it? See, when you observe this three candle together, the net effect of this candle is similar to hammer. Okay. See, when you will see three candle together, suppose this was the bearish candle, and what is the net effect? This candle, forget about this candle. The net effect of this candle is overall what? This is overall bullish effect. Okay, this is a small three candle together form a hammer. Okay, this is the logic behind of this. Is it fine, sir? Why what is the psychology behind this? Three candle together effect of hammer. Okay, this three candle together has effect similar to hammer. Okay, this is net effect. Okay, this is the net effect, and net effect is equal to hammer. This is the psychology meaning of the morning star. Is it fine, sir? See here, three candle net effect is equal to hammer. Is it fine, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now comes to evening star. Okay. In evening star is opposite of the morning star. Condition of evening star is trend of the market should uptrend, means market should in complete uptrend. First condition. And second condition is what? There should be a bullish candle, means this is bullish candle. And third condition is there should be a gap up opening of the next candle. This candle is gap up opening, and color can be either red or green. Color is not matter in this candle. Okay, this candle can be red or green, no worry, it can be any color. And in next candle, this there is gap down opening, means this color candle should gap down opening. This candle should opening, the closing of this candle was right at this level, but on next candle opening was gap down. Okay, is it fine, sir? Anybody doubt in evening star? Similar, it is similar to morning star. Only condition is there should be uptrend in market. First condition. Second condition, there should be one bullish candle. And what is the third condition? There should be one candle which should open gap up. Okay. Clearly closing of previous candle was right at here, but opening of this candle was right at this level. So clearly this is gap up opening, and body of this candle should be small. Clearly this body is small, and this should open gap up, and color can be either red or green. Color is not any issue in that. And on next candle there should be bearish candle. Okay, this color can be bearish. Then only we can consider three candle together as this three candle together forming a pattern which is known as evening star. Okay, and what is the net effect of evening star? See here, the net effect of this evening star is equal to shooting star. Okay, sir. When you will observe three candle together, the net effect is equal to shooting star. Okay, sir. Is it clear? Na?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Example was shown at this level. See, clearly example is given right at here. Clearly there was a bullish candle. Overall trend of the market was up. There was a green candle, and this candle opened gap up. Okay, and next day opening was gap down. Okay, and this candle form a pattern known as what? Evening star. So you can take your sell position right at this level. Okay, entire market was changed from here. Okay, good downtrend. I will try to show few example. I will take a random chart and I will try to revise your entire section. 5 or 10 minutes I will give for revision. Okay, then only we will proceed to next portions. This is Brent crude oil chart running live. Okay. See, this is spinning bottom. Okay, sir. This is spinning bottom. Market trend was almost upside, so you cannot consider it is a spinning bottom because all trend was upside. Okay, when that's why. Revision part. Is it a morning star or evening star? Is it morning star, guys? Can anybody explain me? Is it morning star?
No, sir, no.
Why? Can anybody can tell? Why not morning star?
हमें पता है क्लास वर्क और होमवर्क दोनों आ गया हमारे इसमें
ये तो पूरा ही cover कर लिया इन्होंने.
Market is not a downtrend.
See, first condition why
Which
it
one?
is
Which
not.
one? Which one you are asking?
Yeah, it is marked, sir. These three candle.
Market is
No,
not in
because
downtrend,
market should
then
be the downtrend, no?
Yeah. First condition, market should be in
gap
downtrend.
up,
Yeah. First
gap up.
condition is not fulfilled, and second condition, this candle should open gap up. Okay. Second condition is not also fulfilled, and body of this candle should be small. Okay. So clear cut, this is not morning star. And which type of pattern is this? Can anybody can tell which type of pattern together this is? Can anybody can tell what is the name of this pattern?
So piercing line.
Yeah, almost piercing, or you can told it as a tweezer bottom. Okay, both are fine. Okay, almost both are equal. But the name is given different. Yeah, almost. It is almost tweezer bottom. Okay, both are same logic. Work is same. But opening and closing is almost same. Okay, tweezer bottom almost. Okay, is it fine, sir?
But we can say the downtrend is correct.
Clearly, sir, trend you can consider like that. See, clearly our all trend is down.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay.
Trend is always important in candlestick. Without trend, candlestick will not work.
कैसे रिएक्ट करना होता है उनसे पूछ पूछ के करना है मुझे ज्यादा नॉलेज है भी नहीं एक साल 2 साल ही हुए हैं तो फिर पूछ पाछ के कर सकता है आज वो हिंदी वाली ने को ड्रामे वाली
And what is the name of this pattern? Can anybody can tell? What is the name of this candle? Yes.
Doji.
Yeah, almost doji you can consider. Okay, almost doji. Okay. One confirmation candle always necessary. For buy you have to wait for break of this high. Okay. Yeah, after that entire market was tense.
हाँ.
Is it morning star? No, because condition is not fulfilled. Because
Yes.
two conditions clearly
It
trend
is
of the
uptrend.
market is up. Yeah. First condition not fulfilled, and second condition this candle should open gap up. Okay, so second condition is also not fulfilled.
Yes, correct.
And this is it a morning star, sir? Almost a morning star. Okay, you can check this. Is it morning star? Please say.
Downtrend followed by gap down.
Almost.
Sir, we can say morning doji star this.
Doji, it is not matter that body you don't have to. It is clearly morning star because doji term is not important, but only body is important. Body should be small. Okay. Clearly body is small, na. A small body candle. Overall trend of the market was downside. Okay, sir. trend of the market was down, one bearish candle, and next candle is one bearish candle which is opening gap down. See, closing was this, so almost gap down you can consider, almost gap down. Okay, and this is the next bullish candle. Okay, which is almost opening a gap up. Okay, so clearly we can take our buy position right at here. Okay, with a stop loss of this. We can put our stop loss right at this level, slightly at this level. We can take our buy position right above this. See, after that, see, entire market trend always changes. See, game was changed from right at this level. Okay, good rally was seen in this crude oil. Good rally was observed. Okay. In NIFTY also, we will try to find a morning star. Okay. We don't know. We have to check. See, sir, is it morning star? These three similar to morning star, sir. Okay. Two condition is there. See. Is it morning star? First, say about this. Is it morning star?
Sir, third candle should be green.
Yeah, so that's why we will not say it as a morning star, because this candle should green candle. Otherwise, it would be morning star. Okay. So everybody clear now why we not say this as a morning star, because it violated our rule that this candle should green candle. That's why we not told this as a morning star. So condition was violated. Okay. And see this pattern. This is almost morning star. Okay. Is it fine, sir?
Yes, yes.
Suppose it's, if it will be slightly lower, then it is almost exactly to morning star, but almost you can consider, but slightly below will be the ideal case. This is not ideal condition, but almost similar to morning star. And what is the name of this candle, sir? Anybody, please?
Crystal bottom.
This candlestick, can anybody can tell me these two candle, what is the name of this? This
Both
is
are same.
engulfing, na?
Bottom. Yeah.
Slightly
Engulfing.
opening. Yeah. Opening is slightly down. Okay, means gap down opening almost. See.
Bearish angle.
Yeah. See,
Bearish angle.
I am zooming for yourself. See, opening was right at this level. Okay. So clearly this is engulfing, bullish engulfing.
Bullish
Previous
angle,
trend you
correct.
have, previous trend is also downside. So this condition is also satisfied. Okay. And one confirmation candle was given right at this level. So it is clearly give good profits in buy. Okay. Yeah. Almost 2 to 3 hours it gave good profits. See, what is the name of this candlestick pattern? Can you tell anybody? This was almost equal to a tweezer bottom. Okay. Confirmation candle was also right at this level. Okay. But here a stop loss will be hitted. Okay. So you have to always follow discipline. Here a stop loss will be gone, because someone put his buy position right at this level above high of this candle, so obviously his stop loss will be gone. Okay, his stop loss will hit at this level. Many times possible 10 or 15% cases might hit your stop loss. So you have to follow discipline.
But Ratnaji, we are always seeing you are the following the harmonics chart. Since when I'm following
I
last 6 to 7 months.
always I follow everything. I see the harmonic chart. It's not like that I only take based on harmonic chart. For example, current market is a very huge volatility and it is trending market. In use
Okay, okay,
almost
okay.
each type of thing. That's why I am teaching price action also, because in harmonic chart in very much volatile market, possibly that its accuracy might decrease lesser. Means current accuracy of harmonic chart will be almost equal to 75 or 70% like that. But suppose market is stable, then its accuracy will be 88% to 93%. Okay, for time being it is very much volatile market, then its accuracy will be 70 to 80%. Okay, so price action knowledge is very much important. Okay, that's why I am teaching you price actions also. Okay, in that
Yeah,
case
yeah,
you
fine,
will
fine.
able to, yeah, then you will able to trade based on price action also. Okay, that's why.
Okay, okay.
Yes sir. This is equal to piercing pattern. Okay, 10 to 12 candle, if you observe, overall is up. It is not exactly piercing because net trend is almost choppy. Okay, overall net trend is overall choppy. Okay, not exactly as piercing, confusing pattern, so you can ignore. What is the name of this pattern? It is it morning star, guys? Nifty, please explain me. Everybody observe this. Is
Yes,
it morning? Clearly this
downtrend
is morning.
followed by a gap down opening. Then third condition confirmation is gap up. The market trend is going up. The bullish confirmation.
Yeah, clearly this is a morning star candle. Okay, so best buy is above this. Okay, best buy is above this with a stop loss of slightly below. And see, after that entire market trend was clear cut change. So morning star is very much powerful candle. Okay, for my personal experience, morning star and evening star, most of the time you will get a big profits. Okay, morning star, if observed in higher time frame, 1 hour, 1 day or 1 week chart, it is very much handy tool. Okay, is it fine sir? Very much powerful patterns, morning star and evening star. Whenever you observe this type of patterns, you will get good profits in this type of patterns. Okay sir.
Rishi,
Yes sir.
uh, to analyze all this pattern, what is the right time?
Yes.
A day before, or do
Yeah,
you
yeah,
see all
most
this pattern during the investment period?
it will appear you randomly. Suppose you are observing any Nifty chart. So Nifty chart running live, for example. So you will find randomly enough. It is possible that you will observe at random. It is suppose you are doing some homework in charts for next day. Suppose currently market is closing. Okay. So suppose you are observing any chart. So you will observing what are the candlestick. In live market also you can observe. So it will appear anytime. Okay, currently it is observing that ICICI Bank there was which type of pattern. In ICICI Bank there was almost equal to engulfing pattern. Give a confirmation by which confirmation was given by
I think it is a bottom.
yeah tweezer, almost tweezer you can consider, both are similar, tweezer and yeah almost tweezer. Okay, this was confirmation candle followed by, so this was a buy condition. Okay, so here buy was executed here. These are running live. Okay, it's not like old, it is running live. Suppose someone is last day was observing in live markets, so in live market he can take his buy position right at this level, so easily he will get 2 to 3 point. Okay, suppose someone is taking SBI chart. See clearly SBI chart. It is trying to form some type of morning star. Okay, is it fine? It is trying to form morning star. Okay, sir. See, observe. Is it fine, sir? Almost equal to morning star. Just that.
Chappy,
That's why.
where the P,
That's
the
why.
first P is written, that is already a morning star.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, where the cursor is, that is already a morning star.
This is doji, sir. Actually, these three
Doji.
candle will form. Yeah, yeah, doji. This is doji. Okay. And see, this is falling three method. Okay, this is doji. So these three will try to form. Overall buy will come which level? When it will break high of this, trying to form this pattern, but currently above this you will observe some rally in the State Bank. Indus Bank, which type of pattern, sir? It is equal to just bottom almost. Okay. Confirmation candle is pending. Confirmation candle is pending in Indus Bank. Okay. Confirmation candle. This is equal to which pattern? This is equal to piercing pattern. Confirmation candle was missing. Okay. See why Indus Bank not rise? Their confirmation candle was missing. Okay, here. Suppose this candle able to close green candle. So suppose closing of this candle should green. That's why it not able to make some upside movement. Confirmation candle was missing. This was clearly piercing pattern. So this is the operator move. See why I always give focus on confirmation candle. This was the operator movement. This was the operator move. Okay. Always I give emphasis on confirmation candle due to this. When confirmation candle is always handy. Okay. Is it fine, sir?
Yes.
And this is Bank Nifty chart, for example. This is 15 minute. Okay. So which pattern? This is piercing pattern. Okay. Is it fine, sir? This is piercing pattern and confirmation candle comes right at this level. So might be possible there is a gap up opening next day. Okay. Possibly gap up opening is possible next day. Okay, sir.
Yes.
And also XGS is showing a gap up. Okay, currently market is almost 200 plus. This is SGX live chart currently running. So obviously gap up opening will happen. This is the live chart running. Okay. Okay, sir. 274 point upside. So obviously there will be gap up opening. Okay, sir. Obviously there will be gap up of 2 to 300 point. Okay, sir. Is it
Yeah,
fine,
got
sir?
it, got it. Yeah, fine, fine.
So any gap up or gap down has certain logic. Apart from news, certain logic is also present. It's not like that only market is behaving on news. Also, some confirmation is always given in advance. Okay. So people should not carry their put position. They should not carry put position right at this level. So whoever bought a put position might possible that he might face losses in put position. So obviously, clearly here only people should understand that some reversal will happen in market. Okay. So some pullback of 3 to 400 point will happen. And this is natural gas live chart. USA market. See clearly natural gas in this is USA market. So clearly natural gas currently formed which type of pattern? Clearly this is shooting a star in 15 minutes. So you can observe in natural gas after 1 or 2 hours. Then you can observe what will happening. Okay, this is a natural gas USA chart. Okay, you can observe after 1 hour what will happen. Okay, is it fine, sir? Everyone
Yeah, here
can
where is the shooting star?
yeah, it is currently running live, so we have to wait for closing. So for timing, it is looking like shooting a star, almost shooting a star. Yeah, shooting a star candle followed by one candle should confirmation candle, then we can expect fall in natural gas. Okay, this is USA natural gas, USA market. Currently our market is closed. Okay, so you can observe after 1 hour what is happening. Okay, okay, sir. It is live chart running. Okay. Similarly, you can check the Dow American market. We tell this as Dow market. Actually, people are taking Dow also. See, Dow is also forming similar to shooting star. Okay. So possibly Dow can fall. Okay. Okay, sir. Clear cut. This is what? Clear cut. This is shooting star. So possibility of fall in Dow. Okay, sir. So I am giving you some break of 15 to 20 minutes. You can refresh yourself. Then we will start again classes for 1 hour 30 minutes almost. So you can take some rest. Okay, okay, sir. New ID will be sent in Telegram. Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. 20 minutes
Okay.
break is fine.
Yeah. Break is always necessary. Otherwise, it will be very lengthy for your mind. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay. Okay, sir.